Hi, I'm Vasilis and I'm going to talk through the fourth section of Data Management Plan, Data Sharing and Access. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand and fill in the fourth section of your DMP application. Remember here that these are just suggestions of what I would write for a small gene expression study to give you an idea of granularity of content and what I would consider writing. Previously, I showed 9 sections that I'll consider in this video series, noting that not all founders asked for these to be written. I proceed here to the fourth of these. Let's start with section number 4, the sharing and access of the data. This section consists of 5 subsections. In the first subsection, you have to provide details about where the data will be shared. In our example, our data will be shared in the public repository ArrayExpress. We also provide the relevant link. Subsequently, we need to provide information about the availability of the data. So, our data will be shared via ArrayExpress at the time of publication or within 3 years of its generation. This 3-year timeline is arbitrary and your choice, though you could also state that data release will be within 1 year or the end of grant funding. The important thing here is to state when data will be releases. In the third subsection, we explain that data can be found on the public repository ArrayExpress at the time of publication with no restrictions or delays to sharing. We proceed to the fourth subsection, being more descriptive about the reusability of the data. To ensure reusability, datasets will be formatted and described using relevant community data standards as outlined. Where data standards do not exist, datasets will be described and annotated using relevant domain ontologies, made available using non-proprietary text formats, and structured following tidy data conventions. Finally, we need to describe any restrictions or delays to sharing with planned actions to limit such restrictions. In our example, there are no restrictions or delays to data sharing. So, that was the 5th part of our RDMBites series of things to consider when writing a DMP for a grant.